Welcome back to the channel, RV enthusiasts and road warriors, to another exciting tour of the most innovative recreational vehicles hitting the market. If you have traveled with a large family or tried full-time RV living with guests, you know the biggest challenge is finding a layout offering genuine privacy. Today we are taking an exclusive look at an absolute game-changer in the towable segment. This brand new floor plan takes the concept of a multi-bedroom rig to an unprecedented level. We are talking about a massive fifth wheel that replaces the traditional cramped bunkhouse with two complete master suites, two full bathrooms, a top-tier kitchen, and a residential lounge. Designed for extended camping trips and full-time living, it strikes an immaculate balance between ultimate functionality and high-end privacy. Naturally, this level of luxury comes with a substantial footprint. This towering fifth wheel measures an impressive 44.9 feet in length and stands 13.3 feet high. To maximize interior volume, it utilizes a 102-inch wide-body chassis and three remarkably deep slide-outs to ensure everyone has room to breathe. Before stepping inside, let us appreciate the exterior features that make this fifth wheel a true long hauler. A massive power awning equipped with bright LED lighting creates a tremendous shaded outdoor patio space perfect for family gatherings. Storage is always a critical concern for full-time travelers, but this rig over-delivers with multiple oversized exterior compartments, including a colossal pass-through basement storage bay that can swallow up all the bulky gear you could possibly need. Tipping the scales with a dry weight of 12,340 pounds, it boasts an impressive cargo carrying capacity of 2,724 pounds, meaning nothing has to be left behind. To keep the indoor climate perfectly controlled during the scorching summer months, the roof is crowned with a robust array of three high-performance Furrion Chill Cube air conditioning units. Stepping through the main entry door, the sheer volume of the wide-body chassis and soaring ceilings instantly create a living space indistinguishable from a luxury home. Premium finishes are everywhere, from gorgeous real wood cabinet doors equipped with soft close hardware to beautiful heat-rated solid surface countertops and elegant brass fittings. Thanks to opposing slide-outs in the lounge, the central shared space opens up tremendously. This living room is anchored by a sprawling L-shaped sectional sofa loaded with versatility. One end features plush recliners for relaxation, while the other incorporates a convenient jackknife bed for overnight guests. The entire seating arrangement faces a stunning entertainment wall, which houses an enormous 65-inch smart television and an ambiance-enhancing fireplace that provides supplemental heat on chilly autumn evenings. Adjacent to this spectacular lounge is a top-notch kitchen that would make any culinary enthusiast swoon. Say goodbye to compromised cooking experiences, because this chef-inspired galley is packed with high-end residential appliances. The package is headlined by a premium 4-burner stove, including two high-performance burners for fast boiling and a dedicated simmer burner. Below the cooktop sits a genuinely large oven, capable of handling a full family roast. Food storage will never be an issue, thanks to the massive full-size residential French door refrigerator and a beautifully integrated walk-in style pantry. The designers even thought of the small everyday conveniences, incorporating a discreet tip-out trash can and a massive fancy farmhouse-style sink equipped with an array of premium kitchen accessories to make meal prep an absolute breeze. Now, let us move on to the true party piece of this incredible recreational vehicle, the dual complete suites. At the front of the rig, you will discover the primary suite, acting as a completely private sanctuary. This front bedroom features a sprawling RV king-size bed, positioned on its own dedicated slide-out. A massive front wardrobe provides monumental clothing storage and comes fully prepped for a washer and dryer setup. Storage is further maximized by clever open shelving adjacent to the bed, and a large dresser with television prep mounted right above it. The real luxury is the ensuite bathroom, which boasts a massive walk-in shower enclosed by premium glass doors, a generously sized vanity, an elegant backlit mirror, floor-to-ceiling linen storage, and a residential-quality porcelain toilet. In a stroke of absolute brilliance, the manufacturer has managed to integrate a secondary suite at the far rear of the coach. While it is just a fraction smaller than the front sanctuary, it completely maintains the exact same level of elite comfort and total privacy. This rear haven also features its very own private full bathroom and a luxurious king bed.
Above the bed, there is a brilliant overhead loft space enclosed by a protective metal mesh, making it an epic sleeping fort for kids or a secure storage attic. Additionally, this room includes a dedicated wardrobe equipped with a smart pull-out table that can easily function as a remote workstation or a small desk. For the ultimate entertainment experience, this rear suite transforms into a private home theater, complete with a high-definition projector mounted directly above the main bed and a massive pull-down projector screen on the opposing wall. To support all of these incredible amenities during extended off-grid stays, the plumbing system is remarkably capable. The massive chassis houses a generous 54-gallon freshwater tank, a massive 114-gallon gray water capacity, and a substantial 76-gallon blackwater tank. If you are ready to elevate your mobile lifestyle, the base starting price for this magnificent fifth wheel is $121,327, though your final cost will naturally depend on your chosen dealer and any optional extras you decide to select. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive tour, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest recreational vehicles.